I forget to ask, because I always do, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, like and comment. I always respond back. Number 4 is going to be equipment. What type of equipment are you going to supply? Are you going to supply all of your own equipment? Or are you going to make the customer be responsible for supplying the equipment? There's pros and cons to that. When you supply all your own equipment, you don't have to worry about if Mrs. Smith went to the store to get multi-surface and then forgot, and then you have nothing to clean with. Or if Mrs. Smith decides to try an off-brand because she got it on sale and you don't know how the results are going to be, that can always be a problem too. When I had my cleaning business, preferred to bring all of my own equipment. With the whole COVID thing, it actually is more convenient to have equipment there at the house rather than bringing your equipment from door to door. It just makes less of a mess for cross-contamination. But one day, when the cooties are over, we might actually go back to just bringing our own equipment. But that way you're familiar when you bring your own stuff, what works, what doesn't work, and it just makes it simple. Are you going to be bringing your own vacuum? Are you not going to be bringing your own vacuum? Are you going to broom and dustpan it? How are you going to use sponges or not sponges? We stopped using sponges a long time ago, just for a lot of ick factor. We just don't use them anymore. So there's a lot of equipment that you're going to need, like a high duster, a caddy, clean rags that are sanitized and not cross-contaminated because you brought them from house to house. Those types of things are stuff to consider when you're doing your own cleaning business. I have seen, and I won't name names, cleaners who recycled those cleaning rags because they didn't have enough. So they would use the same gross, disgusting rag that they used in someone else's bathroom in your home. Think about that. So those are things that you want to consider equipment. Having a running car is also a nice piece of equipment to have. And obviously you want to have insurance on it. That's pretty standard. I shouldn't have to mention it, but I am just in case. Those are pieces of equipment that are important. Having a flat mop. Are you going to be a flat mop or a rag mop type of person? I prefer using the flat mop method because it actually accumulated more of the debris that the vacuum or the broom missed. So it made it nicer for a nicer finish.